My name is Fazil, and I'm a bug bounty hunter and cybersecurity researcher. And I have worked a lot of private programs, and I have hunted a lot of bugs in my real life. Okay, okay. Then to I'll just make a one this session for like how to install Linux and what are the requirements are there. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. So please watch carefully. Okay, so once you down, if you don't, if you're not able to download, I'll just send you a very quick everything how to download. I mean, everything is procedure and step by step procedure. I'll just tell how to download and what is the basic what will be the best software for you to download that. Okay, so let's start. Is it visible to everyone? Okay, so let's move how to install the Linux. I have already installed virtual machine also you can use and VM workstation also you can use. So I have already installed. So this is already I have installed Linux for lab setup, but and Windows 11. So this may be useful when we download some outsider tools, which will be needed. Uh, I mean, you can do hacking in like in the Windows also and in the Linux also. But I recommend only the Linux because when we are like when we try to secure the when we work in the organization and when we try to secure the networks and we find the bugs, so that time everywhere Linux will be used. Okay, so Windows 11, Windows 11, it is the latest version of Windows. So I am using Windows here for the other side other tools that we'll be using. And this is a Windows 7 that we will be hacking, and what will be the vulnerabilities we will find here, and how to hack the system. So we will get to know here. Okay, so and this is a Windows server and how to hack the servers and what kind of vulnerabilities will be available in the server. So these kind of things we'll be knowing how to I will let you know and I will help you everything how to download this and how to install. So but for the starting things, Kali Linux is required. So this is the old version of Kali Linux, that is a 2021. But I'll be installing the latest version in front of you. So please watch carefully how to install it. It will take some time. So first, what we have to do? First, we have to download. So I have my downloaded files. That is here, Kali Linux 2022 21. I mean 2022.1. That is a version. So what we will do? We will go to here, create new virtual machine. So we'll select here typical, and we'll move to next. And here what we have to do means we have to select the image what we have downloaded. Okay, so my file is on desktop, and this is the my file, and just hit enter, I mean open. So let's move next. Then here we have to select what kind of operating system is there. So this is a Linux one, and it comes under Debian. And okay, so let's move next. So here we can choose the name
మీకు ఇంకా
Linux
కనిపిస్తుందా
2022 and next. Then here we will be creating how much ROM, I mean random access memory is required, or that is a hard disk space is required. I'll just give here 50. And because this is actually I have downloaded the full version of Kali Linux, but you are downloading the minimum requirement of the Kali Linux, whatever the link I've shared. So that is the minimum requirement which you can use. But I am using here full version. So I'll just hit this option, store virtual disk as a single file. Okay. So let's move next. Okay, here's some customer hardware. I think there is some error here, but no problem. We'll go to finish. Yeah, so it has been created the file that is Skylinux 2022, and let's power on it. So this is the graphical installation. We'll go graphical installation and hit enter. Yeah, let's move to English. Wait, I'll make it full screen. Yeah, let's move to English and continue. And you can choose any language like India or US. Both is comfortable. I mean, your location, anything you can choose here. And what kind of keyboard you need. American English is okay. So now it will detect the uh, requirement and media. I'm audible to everyone. Give the host name. Let's give the host name as Kali, or root also you can give root. Okay, domain name is not required, so you can do continue. Okay, so what we will be creating a new user, and that user will not be like, it won't be having the all the privileges. So here they already said non-administrative activities. So that won't be having all the features to, I mean, to delete or do something changes in the system. Okay, so what we'll be doing means Kali Linux. So that will be our secondary user, and first user will be root. Okay, so always remember one thing: if you want to run all the tools, then go to the root account, and then we will doing how to do it. Okay, so it will, root account will give you, will give us all the privileges and access to delete the files or alter anything. Let's move continue. Let's move continue. Okay, I think there's some error. I'll give Kali Linux and Kali Linux 1. I think the Kali Linux 2022.
స్క్రీన్ ఆఫ్ అయితే పోతుంది అక్క.
I think let's use Kali at 2022.
చూడండి బయటకు వస్తుంది అలా.
Sir, we are not able to download this Kali Linux for some reason. Every time we try to
Okay, I
download
will
it, it's uh,
I'll help you out how to download that.
okay.
I think they have changed a lot things. Yeah, so why we was getting the error? Because they have given something new changes here. Because when I installed the Kali 2021, that time they have not included these features. Okay, so they are like they have done something changes here. So first letter will be it should not be in capital. Like that we was getting the error. So let's move continue, and we'll enter the password. So you can use any password. Okay, so I'll be using Tor Tor here also Tor. So Tor will be the password. Enter. Okay, so okay, and let's move to next. So it will takes little bit time because it will again it will download requirements tools, and this is a desktop environment. So again it will get download here and it will get installed. Okay, let's move continue. Okay, so just open and hit run as administrator and just use next. Actually, this is the cracked version, and it doesn't have any backdoor or virus, so it will not affect your system. So because I have already scanned this.
Man.
Everyone has downloaded it. Hello, password. Okay, I'll enter the password. Just copy and paste. It is asking reboot option. So once everything is done, just hit enter to continue. Okay, so everything is installed. So it will take a time to reboot it, and see it will look like this. And let's move to Kali Linux. Okay, so it will automatically go to the Linux. And who is sharing their TeamViewer ID, please share with your passwords because password is required. Okay, so our now it will ask the password. First, it will ask the username. So what we have to the username maybe Linux, and the password was store. Okay, I think username was Kali. Yeah, it got logged in. Okay, so it will ask somewhere here install tools. So you have to install it. Okay, so
So
hit
hit
install.
install. ఎవరు మీదే నాగనైంది.
So our Linux is installed here, and I have logged in here as a my root. My name was the Kali, and the password was store. Okay.